You know, if something isn't right, doesn't feel right, smell right, taste right, probably isn't right. So fix it. Do it yourself, right? So out here 7 o'clock in the morning, and I'm working on the seats in the truck. And one thing that is different on this GMC Sierra versus my Chevy Silverado is that the seats adjustment doesn't tilt up in the front. So let me show you my fix action for this. And I have actually done this on another vehicle that I had a long time ago, and it worked out pretty damn good. So what I did is took the two front bolts out of the seat. See there, the rail, and right there. And here's the two bolts that hold the seat down to the frame. And what I did is added exactly 1/2 inch of spacer washers, and I'm going to put the washers underneath here and screw this back down so it actually will tilt the seat front right here, will tilt up 1/2 inch. And you're thinking, oh, 1/2 inch isn't that much. 1/2 inch is a lot. See there, right down there? The washers will go right in between there, and I'll just screw it back down. It uses a Torx, I don't know what number this is. It says Torx 50, T50 head on there. If I can get the camera on it. Easy peasy. It's hand tools. Took the measure out there, make sure I got a true 1/2 inch. These are hardened washers. So I'll let you know how it goes. Just a little bit more comfort. These seats that come with these trucks are really padded thinly too. I had to put this memory foam pad for my big fat butt on there. But hopefully this will help out. And I can also do it to the back too if I want to get the seat up higher because I'm a relatively short guy. Alright, that was stupid easy. All it took was about 5 minutes out of my life. And a wrench. Check this out. Let me show you. See there? Spacer washers underneath the rail on both sides here. Right here too. See? Put your finger underneath there. And this seat is all the way back. So when you move it forward, where I normally sit, you can't even see it. See there? Much better. Leans the seat back a little bit better. You know, to each their own in comfort level, I guess. Easy peasy. I like these easy ones. We'll see you.